These two people here just keep farting. That's a very good fart, Sissy.
Yeah, it is.
Oi! Very good fart, Angel. Sissy's very good at farting. Look at Sissy's smile, very cute. Oi! What have you been eating? A lot of beans? Oh my. Why? Sissy, what have you been eating this day? You've been really farting so hard. Oh my goodness, guys. That's ridiculous. Why? Okay, I gotta eat my food. Hey, you stop farting because I'm eating my food. What? All I have is this food. Very good at farting, Sissy.